3 reasons why you need a quality hot tub cover. If you're a hot tub owner, you probably don't need to hear why your spa is a great investment. But if you're new to ownership, what you may not know is how important the right cover is. Here are 3 reasons why it pays to have a quality hot tub cover. More money in your pocket. A tight-fitting, high-quality cover eliminates heat loss, which means you don't need to spend as much money heating your spa. Heat escaping from the tub is a drain on your wallet, but is easily fixed with the right cover. Keep your investment clean. If you live in a climate where the change of seasons bring leaves, twigs, and other outdoor debris, then a high-grade hot tub cover is a must. A great cover means your water stays clean longer, your filter doesn't work as hard, and you can ensure a sparkling clean spa with healthy, clear water. Avoid accidents. Ensure safety. When children or small animals wander around without supervision, a locked hot tub cover ensures there will never be an accident. A small investment for peace of mind. A top-of-the-line cover is a smart add-on that will make sure your hot tub offers safe, family fun for years to come. To learn about our hot tub, swim spa, and sauna service, repair, and maintenance options, just give us a call at 503-941-9004 or go to www.allspa.com.